That is a bad tan. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be joining you from the bar. I got you guys to send me in all of your unpopular opinions on Instagram and I'm going to go through them and we're going to have a little chat. Why are you in the bath, you may say? Views. No, seriously, just kidding. I feel like it would be really boring if I were to just sit on my bed. So I thought I'd change up the scenery, and we're here today with May bubbles that you can't actually see, so that's a bit tragic. I seriously put in a whole thing of bubble bath for you to not even be able to see it. I had to scrub all my tan off because it had gone so patchy and now it's really red.
Oh, no.
So
Not a problem.
somebody said cream eggs are vile. Oh honey. Oh no. Honestly, I do not trust people who don't love cream eggs. What is not to love about that sugary, syrupy gooiness? Could dipping McDonald's chicken nuggets in strawberry milkshake. I'm sure that requires some sort of medical attention. Emma Chamberlain's overrated. Right, now do I have a rant? Oh my god! About this. I love Emma. I think she's great. The fact that she's 16 and doing so well and like doing so many amazing things. Love that for her. I saw she went to Paris Fashion Week and I know she's not a fashion blogger. If YSL offered to take you, would you say no?
That's the real tea, honey.
I like pineapple on pizza. Sis, same. Every day I am attacked. Honestly, pineapple on pizza, you've got the sweet, you've got the salty, you've got the cheese, you've got the carbs. Oh god, I'm currently carb free right now. Billie Eilish is overrated. I think Billie is so cool. Like, I love her whole vibe. I like some of her songs, but I
can't lie, okay? I just can't hide in the dark anymore.
I don't love her as much as the whole world does right now, but I can understand why they do. Like, I appreciate her, but I don't love her, you know? I think she's cool and whatever, but personally, she's not my... You okay, hon? Personally, she's not my favourite artist, but I think she's great. Every time I try to look at my phone, it's Apple Pay. My boyfriend also thinks Apple Pay is a flex. Dried fruit is rank. Now, I love dried fruit, but this one time I ate like a whole bag of dried apricots and I bloated so much I had to go to ballet, and where my tights had been, there was a bruise. A bruise. Ketchup on pasta is the one.
It's time to stop!
Once again, sweetheart, you need some sort of medical attention for that. Now, my boyfriend would so totally agree with this. He puts ketchup on
Fucking
everything. I'm not the biggest fan of ketchup. Ooh!
unpopular opinion in itself.
I just think it's really overrated. Ooh, don't shoot me. McDonald's Monopoly is overrated. I don't think I've ever done McDonald's Monopoly because I don't really eat McDonald's because vegetarian and fat, so I don't really feel like I'm qualified to comment on that one. All I can say is Floral Princess. Feel it disruptors a swag. Yeah, if you're still stuck in 2016. Shawn Mendes is terrible. Like the whole Billie Eilish thing, I understand why people like him. He's that, you know, cute acoustic guitar boy, but oh god, I just, no thank you. Beyonce isn't that good. How dare you talk about our queen like that? Eyebrows are the least important part of a makeup routine. Do you know what? I am so ready to throw this phone right out of that window. Everyone needs to look after their eyebrows. I say that. These are actually very, very, very tragic. Iced coffee is banging. Do I have anything in my teeth? Are you freaking serious? I had something in my teeth. Get out. Iced coffee is so banging. Literally every single time I'm in London, I always order the Starbucks on the app because I have way too much social anxiety to actually go in and ask for 2 pumps of sugar-free caramel and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. I can also hear my dad walking around his room, which is making me very uncomfortable. Feeler shoes are ugly. Unless Fila, you want to offer me a brand deal, I can change that opinion very quickly. Gucci's trash. Now there's the real tea. I'm sure the Gucci man, is there actually someone with a sign in Gucci? That's a flex. I'm sure the Gucci man does not value my opinion, does not care, will never care, and he shouldn't. Because look at me. But I know if I were to buy something designer, I personally wouldn't buy Gucci. I sound like such an asshole. Matty B is low-key fit. Isn't that like paedophilia? How old is he now? Hey Siri, hey Siri, hey Siri. Oh God, I did not pay £850 for a phone to not work. How old is Matty B? He's 19? What the f? He's older than me. Pizza is nicer when it's folded. And cold with cold garlic and herb. Will would be sick if he had that. Revision is overrated. Yeah, if you want to.
Hello.
You're the best YouTuber. Well, yeah, it's not exactly an unpopular opinion, is it?
Wow.
Chooses rank. No. Toxic waste aren't sour. Ooh.
Sorry, y'all.
Riverdale is cringy. Anyone who watches Riverdale? How? How? I just can't say I'm a fan. Mushrooms can suck my non-existent. That is a tad aggressive. Domino's is overrated. There is way nicer pizzas.
Domino's after night out is the one. Domino's, please sponsor me. I don't want these.
Hey.
Ariana Grande can't sing. Yeah, I think you need to get checked out for that. Orange juice with bits is shit. Orange juice with bits, like wine, is to an acquired taste. You know you've reached a new level of life when you start to enjoy orange juice with bits. Harry Potter is trash. Now, unpopular opinion. Well, obviously I'm doing a video of it. I don't think I've ever properly sat through a Harry Potter film, ever.
I don't really want to.
I hate the feel of clean shaven legs on my sheets, literally wear long pajamas to bed. This used to be me. I used to hate the feeling of when I shave my legs like against my bed sheets. Like, it's just too weird. It's like, it's so... Banana in cheesy pasta is god tier food. You, Esme Derbyshire, have some serious deep-rooted issues if you think that's okay. Olives are lush. Michael Jackson is innocent. AirPods are bad, they just fall out my ears. Literally tea. People walk around with AirPods thinking, oh my god, AirPods such a flex, like wow, £150. And it's like, yeah, well, guess who's going to be flexing when they put that £150 on a house, sweetheart? All Ariana Grande songs sound the same, just get out. Digestives with cheese. The James Charles palette isn't even that good. Now, I've actually got the James Charles palette, but I haven't used it as much as I'd like to. I really need to cover up this tan. But I know he said in a video, it's like it takes a little bit more time to blend and work with the colours because it is like an artist's... I don't know why I'm doing that. It sounds really patronising. It is like a makeup artist's palette, but I mean, like, I trust him. Like, I would trust that man with my life and my career. Who is funny? It just is, isn't it? Like, it really just is. McCann's didn't do it. I believe that too. Gemma Collins is a national treasure. Coming through with the fact. Banana on toast. No. No. That is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you did enjoy it and would like a part 2, then let me know and I'll change up the scenery again. Wow, so creative. We love that. I want to say a massive thank you for watching. If you've got all the way to the end, wow, congratulations. 10 brownie points. If you have any more unpopular opinions that you'd like to discuss with people, make sure you leave them in the comments, as well as checking out the description box, because I will have all my social medias listed there. I'm most active on my Instagram. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure that my videos come up in your subscription box. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching for like the 25th time, and I will see you all very soon. Bye! Thank you.